Hi, welcome to my channel Life Sciences Know-How. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. In this video, we will learn about photosynthesis. Ever wondered how plants make their food? Let's find out. What is photosynthesis? Plants use sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into food. This process is called photosynthesis. The main ingredients plants need for this process are sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Inside the leaves, a green substance called chlorophyll helps turn sunlight into energy. This process not only makes the plant grow, but also releases oxygen, which we breathe. So next time you see a plant, remember it's busy making food and oxygen for us. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.